Hello, and welcome to Advaiya Solutions video on Power BI administration and management offerings. Comparing different Power BI approaches, what role admins play in Power BI. Admin is responsible for any queries or an update in user metrics, user roles, doing audit logs, tenant settings, and many more. To get access to the admin portal, your account must have a global admin role. Office 365 Admin Center, Azure Active Directory, and Power BI Admin Portal plays a vital role in an admin's day-to-day work. To view any changes, an admin can see audit logs in Office 365 Security to see a detailed history of what happened and who did what. Admin Portal can use tenant settings to administrate all the workspace in a present tenant. How admin can manage different roles for users. Admin can add, delete, manage roles and licenses per user. Users can join your Power BI tenant by signing up in a self-service mode, by signing up in a Power BI service for their work email, or by massive centralized recording, i.e., the system generates a runtime password and sends it by email. Thank you for watching.